Hi students, today we will discuss about atomic models. Okay, discovery of electrons, protons, neutrons completed, but here atomic models. What about the arrangement of electrons, protons, neutrons in atom and how to develop atom? Okay, so now atomic models. First model, Thomson model of atom. So it is in 1897. At this time, we know only electrons. At this time, we know only electrons, no protons and no neutrons. At Thomson model, only electrons were discovered. There is no protons and no neutrons. Okay, next, Rutherford model of atom. It is 1909. At this time, we know only electrons, no protons, no neutrons. Next, Bohr's model of atom, 1912. At this time, we know electrons, protons, but no neutrons. Next, last model, quantum model of atom. At this time, we know electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons, protons, and neutrons. So these are the four models, four atomic models. Thomson model of atom. Was proposed by J.J. Thomson at 1897. Only electrons were discovered. There is no protons, no neutrons. Next, Rutherford model of atom. It is 1909. At this time, we know only electrons. There is no protons, no neutrons. Bohr's model of atom. It is 1912. We know electrons, protons. There is no neutrons. Next, quantum model of atom. At this time, we know electrons, protons, neutrons. These three models are failed. These are failed. Successful model is quantum model of atom. Okay. Now we'll discuss about Thomson model of atom. Now Thomson model of atom. J.J. Thomson model. So at this time we know only electrons, no protons. Only electrons, no protons, no neutrons. So according to Thomson model, atom possess spherical shape. What is the shape of atom? Spherical shape. Atom possess spherical shape. Radius of atom. Radius of atom 10 power minus 10 meters. Radius of atom 10 power minus 10 meters. Atom possess spherical shape. It is a spherical shape. Radius of atom is 10 power minus 10 meters. Okay. What is the arrangement of electrons? Means like this model is also called as watermelon model. Watermelon model. So easily understanding. Watermelon model. So watermelon ఏం చేస్తారండి ఆఫ్ కట్ చేయండి. So it is a watermelon. Then half cut చేయండి. Then what happen? Half part contains sheets, black color sheets. These are black color sheets. Remaining fibrous part, so it is red color. Remaining fibrous part, it is a red color. Means the black sheets are like electrons. Black sheets are like electrons. Remaining red part, it is a fibrous part. It is positive. There is no protons at this time. Protons was not discovered. So here fibrous part is positive charge. So it is Thomson model. According to Thomson model, Atom possesses spherical shape with radius 10 power minus 10 meters. Positive charge is uniformly distributed. Positive, no protons, only positive charge. Positive charge uniformly distributed, but electrons arranged in embedded form. Electrons are embedded into it such a manner to give most stable electrostatic arrangement. Most stable electrostatic arrangement means it explains electrical neutrality. Thomson model explains electrical neutrality of atom. Electrical neutrality. Electrical neutrality of atom. Thomson model explains electrical neutrality of atom. So this model is also called as plum pudding model. Plum pudding model and raisin pudding model. Raisin pudding model. So it is Thomson atomic model. According to very less points. According to Thomson model, atom possesses spherical shape like watermelon. So imagine watermelon. Seeds are like electrons and remaining red part, that is fibrous part, like positive charge. No protons, only positive charge. So it explains electrical neutrality. So it is Thomson atomic model. So it is first atomic model. It was proposed by J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson. But it is failed to explain further experiments. So it is first atomic model, Thomson model of atom. It was proposed by J.J. Thomson in 1897.